Do you need to apply for Medicare? The good news is it's easier than you think, and you have three options on how to do so. So whether you're new to Medicare, turning 65, or on disability, applying for Medicare is a critical step. You can do this either online, over the phone, or through the mail. Today, we'll walk you through how to do that in three simple steps. Hello, my name is Edwin John Rodriguez, your health insurance representative. On this channel, we discuss health insurance with a focus primarily on Medicare and ACA plans. Since 2007, I've had the pleasure of working with individuals and families regarding their health insurance. I personally help my clients understand, compare, and enroll on the plans that make the most sense based on their individual needs. And the best part is my help is completely free to you. The way I get paid for my time is whichever insurance carrier you choose to enroll with is the one that pays me for my time. Even more, the federal government standardizes agent and broker compensation, keeping conversations free from bias. Now, here's a quick tip early in the video for you is you actually don't have to follow three simple steps. It's actually one step. You get to choose between one of these three steps on how to apply for your Medicare. Also, these processes are the exact same, whether you're new to Medicare because you're turning 65, you're retiring from employer group coverage, or you're on disability for more than 24 months. If you're retiring after 65, there's an additional form called Form 40B, which will need to be supplied to Medicare and Social Security when enrolling in Medicare. The purpose of this form is to prove your coverage during the duration from the time you turn 65 to the time you actually enroll into Medicare. So step one, or option one, is to apply online. You can go to ssa.gov, and if you already have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account with ssa.gov, you can click the link that says create account. And once your account is created, then you'll hit apply for Medicare. You'll need to fill out all of your personal information, just basic information like name, correspondence, phone number, and the process can take anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. What I like to do is at the end of the application, it will ask you specifically if you have any notes that you want to share with the person who's going to process this application. The note I like to add is something very simple like, hi, I'm turning 65 in April. I want to apply for Medicare A and B. I will delay my Social Security until further notice. Now, once your application is completed, you'll receive a notification to your email, as well as a reference number in the process that you'll want to write down. Step two, or option two, is to apply by phone. You can call the phone number of 1-800-772-1213. We'll have that linked also in the description below of that phone number to contact Social Security directly. When you reach out to them, you'll let them know that you are going to be turning 65 soon and you want to apply for your Medicare. At this time, if you also want to apply for Social Security benefits, you can prompt them in that call, in that conversation as well. The representative you're speaking to will help complete your Medicare application right over the phone. This is a more helpful option if you're looking for more of a guided experience during the application process. Step three, or option three, is to do a paper application. If you're a fan of snail mail and good old traditional processes of paperwork, you can actually do a paper application. We'll also include a link in the description below of how to receive that application, where you would want to print that out, fill it in, and mail it to the address on that application and send it in to Social Security directly. This is a good option for people who prefer more of traditional paperwork when processing applications. If you are using the paper application process, be sure to give enough time for that application to be sent, received, and processed. Traditionally, even if you're doing these applications online or even through the mail, you're going to want at least a processing time of at least 3 to 6 weeks. I've seen applications get approved as quick as 3 weeks, but I've seen them take as long as 6 or more weeks. For someone who's going to be turning 65 within a few weeks of actually starting this process, it may cause a delay in actually being able to enroll into your plans. Please allow yourself at least 6 weeks to apply for Medicare. It's best practice that I recommend to my clients. The journey with Medicare is ever changing. Every year, this information does update. So if you're subscribed to the channel, we'll be sure to keep you up to date with information related to Medicare, how changes impact you, opportunities that become available for you, and most importantly, being able to make sure you're getting the most value out of your Medicare coverage. Now, the best way to support this channel is by supporting yourself. If you already know the plan that you're interested in enrolling with after your Medicare is set up and you already know which plan that you want to go with, there's a link in the description below titled Enroll in a Plan. That is a self-service link that allows you to actually go in and apply for a private policy, whether that be an Advantage plan, a supplemental program, or a standalone Part D drug plan. By doing so, you're able to walk and navigate yourself through the application process all on your own without having to worry about dealing with a specific person. but we are here to help you in that process should you be interested in doing so. Feel free to give us a call. You also have the option to schedule a call, another link in the description below. You can schedule a call with me or one of my teammates who can guide you through the enrollment process if you prefer a more guided experience. There's a link in the description below on getting into our calendar. We can have personalized guidance from myself or one of my teammates that will help you with understanding, comparing, and enrolling into a policy of your choice. So to recap today's video, we've given you 3 different ways on how you can actually enroll into Medicare. You can do so either online, over the phone, or through a traditional paper application. And remember to be sure to give yourself at least 6 weeks for this application processing time. Now, if you found this information helpful, you may also enjoy this video here, and we'll see you on the other side.